This has got the fix-it guy?
Charged up Dremil tool. Battery's good, but no response. So we have some electrical cleaner. I'm going to spray a little bit inside the switch assembly. The switch seems a little crusty. Doesn't move easily back and forth. And that'll help clean the contacts. And the other problem is we can see some of these are corroded, so we're going to spray, but also we're going to use some abrasion to clean that up. Those should all be shiny. We'll clean up the battery a little bit too. Actually going to use a Dremil tool to clean a Dremil tool. Just going to get in here and just lighten up. These contacts got messed up, probably from battery leakage. Just want to get them nice and bright again. You could also bend those out more, but you can see some of them are nice and bright, some are a bit dirty. This should get it working again. One thing I'm going to do is bend these contacts up a little bit so they make better contact with the battery, and see if that does the trick. So the high side's working good, nice and strong. Low side, yeah, so we got it back. I think it's just everything was dirty.